So guys, welcome back to Third Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Battlefield 2042 black screen issue after the update of the game on your PC or laptop for both Steam as well as EA users or Origin users, and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first solution is all about, as you can see, that you have to go to the Steam, and I'm having these games but I don't have Battlefield right now, but you can try out these steps to fix the issue. So the first one, when you go to the Battlefield, is you just have to right click and you have to go to properties. You have to set here. In the last video we got a confusion on the people, they think I have done by purposefully on Halo and Infinite, but the thing is I'm showing you with Halo Infinite because I don't have the game. So what you have to do is you will be having the Battlefield here. So you just have to right click on the Battlefield and you just have to go to properties. The first step is you just have to go to local files and you have to click on verify integrity of game files, which means it will be fixing if any bugs or things are not working over there, they'll be fixing it up. So this is the first step what you have to try out if you are on the Steam. Moving on, imagine that if you are not on the Steam, you're done with the verify of integrity of game files, but still you are having the issue. Then what I suggest is you can uninstall the game and reinstall it back. Sometimes for some reason this works a lot. So you can go over here on manage, you'll be having uninstall option. You can click on Battlefield 2042 and go to manage. If you're on Steam, you can go for uninstall and reinstall the game back. And most probably this has worked for some few, not all above, but some few it has worked. They have shared it in the Reddit. That's why I'm sharing you guys. And imagine if it's not done with the Steam, but you are with EA, and how we can fix this up. So if you're on the EA, then how we can fix this up is all the question is, what you have to do is, if you're on the EA app on your PC or laptop, you just have to close this. Then you just have to go over here and you have to click on Origin. Now you just have to open with Origin and you have to try to play the game. Maybe it's going to work. But if it's not going to work, then what you have to do is you just have to uninstall the game from EA or Origin, then reinstall it back. At the same time, check for any kind of updates if you're having. You just have to update the game if you're having any updates on the EA. Just try with the update and maybe it can fix the issue up. So you just have to follow these simple instructions. The first one is you just have to close the EA app and go with Origin. And if it's not working with that, you just have to repair the game. Like on the Steam, I have shown you guys the verify integrity of game files, right? In the same way on EA we have repair option where you can select the game and go for repair by right clicking on it. Just go for it, and sometimes that can fix the issue up. Even after trying this, if it's not working, then what you have to just uninstall the game, reinstall it back and restart the PC, and most probably this has to be fixed. So this is how you can fix when it comes to how to fix the Battlefield 2042 black screen error after update on Steam as well as on your EA or Origin, and how we can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.